Have you ever pondered why we dream? Or perhaps why certain events trigger an emotional response? These are the types of questions that have led to the fascinating field of psychology. The exploration of the human mind and behavior is a journey that dates back centuries, yet the birth of psychology as we know it happened in the late 19th century. It all began with a man named Wilhelm Wundt, a German scientist who is often credited as the father of psychology. Initially, psychology was a branch of philosophy, examining the mind through introspection. However, with the advent of the laboratory, psychology took a scientific turn. Wundt and his students began to study the human mind and its processes through rigorous and controlled experiments. Around the same time, another influential figure, William James, was making strides in the United States. He proposed a different approach known as functionalism, which focused on how mental processes help individuals adapt to their environment. In the early 20th century, psychology experienced a massive shift with the emergence of behaviorism. John B. Watson, the proponent of behaviorism, argued that psychology should study observable behaviors, not the invisible inner world of the mind. The mid-20th century brought another significant change with the rise of humanistic psychology. Carl Rogers and Abraham Maslow, the main figures of this movement, emphasized the importance of personal growth and self-actualization, a contrast to the deterministic views of behaviorism. Around the same time, another school of thought, cognitive psychology, started to gain traction. This approach focused on understanding mental processes such as memory, perception, and problem-solving. Today, psychology is a broad and diverse field, encompassing numerous subfields such as cognitive neuroscience, neuropsychology, and social psychology. It continues to evolve, driven by technological advancements and a growing understanding of the mind and behavior. To recap, the history of psychology is a tale of continuous evolution, marked by a series of paradigm shifts. From its roots in philosophy to the establishment of the first psychological laboratory, the rise of behaviorism and humanistic psychology, and the current focus on understanding mental processes, psychology has come a long way. Each stage in this journey has deepened our understanding of the human mind and behavior, and it continues to do so, shaping our perceptions and interactions with the world around us. So the next time you ponder why we dream or why certain events trigger an emotional response, remember, you are delving into the rich and complex realm of psychology, a field that continues to unlock the mysteries of the human mind.